In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Disable Edit in Grid View, Quick View, in Microsoft Lists. If you work with lists and want to control whether people can make quick spreadsheet-style edits, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find the setting and how to switch it on or off safely. First, open the list you want to manage either directly in Microsoft Lists or from the SharePoint site where it lives. Make sure you're on the list itself, not the site homepage, so the correct options appear. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open Settings. From the menu that appears, choose List Settings. This takes you to the classic settings page for the specific list, where all the configuration options are organized. On the List Settings page, select Advanced Settings. This section controls a range of powerful behaviors for the list, including how items can be edited. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Quick Property Editing. This is where Microsoft controls what used to be called Quick Edit and is now commonly shown as Edit in Grid View. It also affects editing in the Details pane. Think of it as the master switch for fast inline changes. To disable Edit in Grid View, choose No for the question that reads, Allow items in this list to be edited using Quick Edit and the Details pane. Setting this to No removes the ability to bulk edit rows in the grid and prevents edits in the right-hand Details panel. This is helpful when you want to reduce accidental changes, protect calculated or regulated data, or encourage users to open items individually where validation and forms apply. To enable Edit in Grid View, choose Yes for that same question. Selecting Yes restores the grid-style editing experience, making it easy to update multiple items quickly, paste from Excel, and make consistent changes across rows without opening items one by one. After choosing the option that fits your scenario, scroll to the bottom and click OK to save. Changes usually take effect immediately, but if you don't see the Edit in Grid View button appear or disappear, refresh the page or reopen the list. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. You'll typically need elevated permissions, such as being a list owner, to access these settings. If you don't see list settings or advanced settings, check your access or ask an administrator. Also, remember this is a list level control. Individual permissions or column rules may still limit what certain users can edit, even when grid editing is enabled. That's it. Now you know how to enable or disable Edit in Grid View in Microsoft Lists with confidence.